Hi everybody, welcome back to Want to Step. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you on how you can change phone number on WhatsApp without losing chat. So to get started, go ahead and open up your WhatsApp application. Now here you'll be appear with your chat section. Go ahead and tap on the settings, which is appear on the bottom right corner. Now here you see the account options. Go ahead and tap on it. Now here you can see the option change number. Go ahead and tap on it. Now here you can see you change number to migrate your account info, groups and settings from current phone number to a new phone number. You can't undo this change. To proceed, confirm that your new number can receive SMS or calls, or tap next to verify that number. So if you agree to this, go ahead and tap on next. Now here type down your old phone number, and in your new section you can just go ahead and type down the new phone number that you would like to add, and make sure that you also mention the country or the region where the phone number belongs to. Once it's done, go ahead and tap on next. So this is how easily the phone number will be swiped, but the chat won't be deleted and you won't be losing any chat. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.